In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Cash App on a computer or PC. The process is very simple and only takes a few seconds. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. First, open your web browser and go to the official Cash App website. Sign into your account if you are not already logged in. Once you are inside your Cash App account, look toward the left side menu or the Accounts section of the page. Scroll down until you see the Sign Out or Log Out option. Click on it, and Cash App will immediately log you out of your account on that computer. This is especially important if you are using a shared or public PC to keep your account secure. After logging out, you can close the browser window to fully end your session. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or at in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.